We are here. Ang ganda na. Noon wala pa ito eh. Very beautiful na. Wow. Beautiful na. I hate war, it says. As we express gratitude, we must never forget. Oh my God. I hate war and brutality as one is futility. Every pause is honorable. Oh, freedom is never free. Anonymous. Wow. Wow. Ronald Reagan. This is President George Bush. Oh, these are different presidents. There are some who forgotten. This is President George Bush. Very beautiful.